Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most unusual and intense conflicts in India, the Mizoram and Assam border dispute. This is not a conflict between two countries but between two Indian states, both with their own history, their own identity and their own understanding of where the border lies. To explain this, we'll trace the history, causes, agreements and even the 2021 violent dispute where Mizoram and Assam police actually fire at each other. And most importantly, we'll look at how Mizoram views this issue and how Assam sees it. During British colonial rule, the boundaries were drawn between the plains of Assam and the hills area that later became Mizoram. In 1875, a boundary line was demarcated between the Lusai Hills and Assam Kachar district. This line was made after consulting Mizo chiefs, so Mizoram accepted this version. In 1933, another boundary notification was issued, including different alignment. Assam accepted this as the valid boundary. This agreement between 1875 line and the 1933 line is at the heart of today's dispute. Mizoram trusts 1875 boundary. Assam recognizes 1933. Each side says the other people have moved into their land for forest and resource use. Farmers and traders use this disputed land for bamboo, betel nut, and jute cultivation. Political sensitivity. Leaders on both sides fear that compromise would upset their people. From the Mizoram side, the 1875 boundary is legitimate. Mizoram argues that the boundary drawn in 1875 after consulting their chiefs should be respected. They reject the 1933 notification, saying it was made without local consultation. Mizoram communities see the dispute forest as a part of their ancestral land. They say Assamese officials often encroach and build camps in this area. After the 2021 dispute, Mizoram claimed Assam police had entered their land and attacked first. Mizos felt they were defending their territory against aggressions. Mizoram repeatedly asked the union government to mediate and recognize the 1875 boundary line. From the Assam side, 1933 boundary is legal. Assam insists that the 1933 notification was backed by official record. Is the final legal boundary. They accuse Mizoram of encroaching into Assam territory. Assam argues it is their duty to protect reserve forest from what they call illegal Mizo settlement. They say Mizoram farmers regularly cultivate land inside Assam. Assam claims that in 2021, Mizoram police ambushed and opened fire on their officers. They argue that they lost 6 policemen because Mizoram crossed the line of law. Demand from Central. Assam wants the Central to uphold the 1933 boundary and prevent further encroachment. Despite peace talks since 1990, the core issue was never solved. On 26 July 2021, at Vairengte in Mizoram's Kalasip district, the dispute ran badly. Police from both sides clashed. Mizoram police opened fire, killing 6 Assam policemen. Both had accused each other of provocation. Assam imposed an economic blockade, cutting off roads to Mizoram, leading to shortages of oil and medicine. The union government deployed CRPF as a neutral force along the border. After the meeting between the chief minister restored peace, but the boundary issue is still unresolved. Mizoram-Assam border conflict is not just about land, it's about history, law and identity. Both believe they are protecting their people and their land, but as the 2021 dispute show, when the two state police forces exchange gunfire, the cost of unresolved dispute is very high. The only real solution lies in dialogue, trust building and fair settlement by the Central, so that both Mizoram and Assam can live as peaceful neighbors within the Indian Union.